Hello guys, welcome to my gardening channel. On this video, I want to share my experience how I recognize what the best time to watering my Phalaenopsis orchid and how I watering this orchid. I live in Germany in four season country. So it's not like in tropical country like in Indonesia that orchid mostly watering every day. So I watering this Phalaenopsis orchid or a moth orchid every week, every 7 days. In winter, I watering them up to 10 to 40 days. But we have to look the color of the root, because when we watering them, when the root still green, maybe you will make the orchid suffering and get rot roots. So have to be carefully when you watering this Phalaenopsis orchid. How to know when we have to watering Phalaenopsis orchid? You have to look the root. If the root still green, that means you have to wait 1 or 2 days. But if the Phalaenopsis orchid, the roots like this color, silver, so this is the best time to watering this orchid. On this one, I was watering this Phalaenopsis orchid 3 days ago. So you can look the roots in green color. So this orchid have a good watering. And if you're watering Phalaenopsis orchid when the roots still green, you will make the root rots. That's the problem with this Phalaenopsis orchid. So you have to look the roots. When the roots like this color inside here, so that's the time to watering this orchid. This orchid I was watering for 10 days ago, but first I want to look the roots, because these orchids I put in a big top, so in big plastic top, so this can up to 40 days to be watering again. So you can look, it's still green, so I have to wait 1 or up to 3 days ahead. If I watering now, that's a mistake, because this orchid don't need water. We can look from the color of the roots. So orchid like to be watered when the roots a little bit dry. Look at this beautiful cascade Phalaenopsis. This orchid have a big flower. I have these orchids around 4 or 5 years, and every year this orchid give me beautiful flowers like this. Orchid come from the rainforest. They get water from the rain, but sometimes the rain is not come so off. So these orchids like to be dry before next watering. I plant my Phalaenopsis orchid, my moth orchids, in a transparent pots like this, so I can look the color of the roots. And for good circulation, I open the window every day. 1 or 2 hours, and I make so good circulation, good air circulation for the orchids. I make here lock like this one, so the orchid gets a good air circulation. If you put your moth orchids in non-transparent pots like this, for example, you can put 2 fingers like this, so you know if the substrate, if the media is still wet or not. So if you feel dry, the media is too dry, so this is the best time to watering. I watering this one 3 days ago, so this media still very wet. On this one, the media I use coconut hot chips. This media has a good to maintain the water in long days. I can watering this big Phalaenopsis up to 10 to 40 days, because this one have a good have a big top. But this one, I watering this one every 7 days. So next I will show you how I watering my orchid, my Phalaenopsis orchid. This is how I watering my orchid collection. I put here this rice water. I put here this rice water. I put here, and I mix so. I soaking this orchid up 10 minutes. I put here, and I will bake again in 10 minutes. So you can look, the roots will getting green. The roots will green when this orchid have enough water. Like this. Okay guys, Thank you to watching my video. If you like my video, please give a thumb up. You can also share my video to your orchid friend. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.